Imagine waking up one morning, already feeling a rush of warmth and vitality moving through your body before you've even left the bed. Your mind is calm, but your body is ready. The blood flows powerfully, the sensation is intense, and your erection is strong, almost as if your body has rediscovered the vitality of decades past. This isn't a fantasy. It's a physiological response you can trigger by pressing 3 specific points on your body. Points so effective that ancient medical traditions considered them switches for sexual energy. The first of these points is located right where your thigh meets your torso, in the crease of your groin. Under your fingertips, if you press carefully, you can feel a subtle pulse. This is the femoral artery, a direct highway of blood toward your most intimate area. Applying the correct pressure here is like opening a floodgate. When you press with your thumb in slow, deliberate motions, you temporarily encourage a surge in arterial flow. The warmth you feel isn't just skin deep, it's oxygen-rich blood filling the vessels that lead directly to your penis. This is the kind of stimulation that can make the difference between a weak, fading erection and one that feels solid, alive, and unshakable. What makes this point so powerful is not just the blood flow itself, but the reflex it triggers in your nervous system. When stimulated, it sends signals through the pelvic nerve network, subtly activating the erectile tissue. Over time, regular stimulation of this area can help train your body to respond faster, with stronger rigidity, and with less effort from mental arousal alone. In other words, your body begins to anticipate pleasure and readiness at a physical level, the same way an athlete's muscles anticipate movement after warm-up drills. To make this even more effective, you shouldn't think of it as just a mechanical press. You need to approach it like a slow awakening. Sit comfortably, keep your breathing deep and steady, and use your thumb to press into the crease of the groin at a moderate depth. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat 2 or 3 times on each side, noticing how with every repetition the warmth becomes more intense, the pulse stronger, and the subtle swelling in your shaft begins to grow. This isn't just about performance in the bedroom. This is about reclaiming a physiological response that age tries to steal from you. Most men over 60 underestimate how much their circulation changes with time. Arteries can lose flexibility, blood pressure regulation can fluctuate, and pelvic muscles weaken. This is why simple, targeted stimulation of these key points can be a game changer. You're not relying on pills or artificial stimulants. You're using your own body's built-in mechanisms to deliver exactly what your erection needs. Powerful, unrestrained blood flow, combined with nerve activation. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, without anyone knowing. And in just a few minutes you can feel the change. The second point is located right in the lower abdomen, about 3 finger widths below the navel, in a straight line down toward the center of the pubic area. In traditional Chinese medicine, this spot is known as the Sea of Qi, because it holds one of the body's most powerful reserves of vital energy. This area doesn't just store energy, it works like a master switch that regulates the flow toward the entire pelvic region, and therefore toward the sexual organs. When you press this point, you're not only boosting blood circulation, you're waking up a neuromuscular and hormonal center that signals the glands to increase testosterone and nitric oxide production. 2 key factors for a strong erection. The technique is simple, but it must be done with full awareness. Place the pads of your fingers, apply firm, steady pressure, and make slow, circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes. This isn't about brute force, it's about deep, controlled stimulation. While you do it, breathe deeply, letting your abdomen expand as you inhale and relax as you exhale. That steady breathing enhances the vascular response and intensifies the warmth in the area, a clear sign that blood flow is increasing. If you stay consistent, you'll notice your penis responding more quickly and staying harder for longer, even in situations where you used to lose firmness. One crucial tip: Always do this exercise after stimulating the first point in the groin. Think of it like opening the main gates of blood flow first, and then turning on the central generator that pushes that flow to its destination. The synergy between the two steps is what makes this method so powerful. Now we reach the third point, possibly the most surprising and often the most overlooked. The perineum. That small space between the scrotum and the anus is, in reality, a nerve superhighway. Here, fibers from the pudendal nerve and the dorsal nerve of the penis pass through. These are responsible for transmitting the most intense signals of arousal to the brain. It's like having a start button directly connected to penile rigidity. When you stimulate it, you trigger an immediate muscular reaction in the corpora cavernosa, while also activating a neurological reflex that intensifies pleasure. To work it properly, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. With 1 or 2 fingers, apply gentle, steady pressure for 30 seconds. Release slowly and repeat several times. The key is not to press too hard, as this area is extremely sensitive. Think of it as tuning a delicate instrument. Too little and it won't play. Too much and the string breaks. Do it with precision, and you'll feel a tingling sensation that rises up from the base of the penis, transforming into a wave of firmness. Let me guide you mentally through this sequence as if you were here with me right now. Start by placing your hand on your groin, feeling the pulse beneath your skin. Press gently but firmly for 30 seconds. Release and repeat on the other side. Visualize each compression opening the blood flow more and more, like opening a floodgate for the river to run freely. Then, bring your fingers to the sea of chi in the lower abdomen. Make slow, deep circular movements, feeling how you awaken that reserve of energy that travels through your pelvis like a warm current. Maintain that sensation for at least a minute, noticing how each breath feeds the intensity of that energy. Finally, shift your focus to the perineum. Place your fingers and press gently, as if turning on a hidden motor. Hold the pressure, breathe deeply, and let the tingling grow into firmness, second by second. When you're done, stay still for a few moments, feeling the effect. Optimized circulation, nerves activated, sexual energy at its peak. You can repeat this sequence twice a day. Once in the morning to wake up your blood flow and start the day with vitality, and once before intimacy to ensure a strong, lasting erection. If you combine it with good hydration, breathing exercises, and an antioxidant-rich diet, the effect will be even greater. Best of all, you're not depending on pills or chemicals. You're training your own body to reclaim its natural potency. Remember, consistency is the key. This isn't just a temporary trick. It's a routine that re-educates your vascular and nervous systems. If you want me to show you in the next video complementary techniques that multiply this effect and can even improve sensitivity and orgasm intensity, tell me in the comments and subscribe. What's coming next could completely transform your intimate life.